Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between fixed exchange rates and flexible exchange rates. Exchange rate systems determine how the value of one currency is measured against another. A fixed exchange rate is maintained by the government or central bank, while a flexible exchange rate is determined by market forces of demand and supply. Let us explore the major differences between these two exchange rate systems. Number 1. A fixed exchange rate is determined and maintained by the government or central bank, whereas a flexible exchange rate is determined by market demand and supply. Number 2. A fixed exchange rate remains stable and relatively constant, whereas a flexible exchange rate fluctuates frequently according to market conditions. Number 3. In a fixed exchange rate system, the government actively intervenes in the foreign exchange market, whereas in a flexible exchange rate system, government intervention is minimal under normal circumstances. Number 4. A fixed exchange rate requires large foreign exchange reserves to maintain the peg, whereas a flexible exchange rate requires fewer reserves for intervention purposes. Number 5. Monetary policy is less independent under a fixed exchange rate system, whereas monetary policy is more independent under a flexible exchange rate system. Number 6. Control over interest rates is limited in a fixed exchange rate system, whereas countries can adjust interest rates more freely under a flexible exchange rate system. Number 7. Fixed exchange rates encourage international trade and investment through stability, whereas flexible exchange rates may create uncertainty in trade and investment decisions. Number 8. Exchange rate risk is generally lower under a fixed exchange rate system, whereas exchange rate risk is higher under a flexible exchange rate system due to frequent fluctuations. Number 9. Fixed exchange rates help promote price stability, whereas flexible exchange rates may lead to imported inflation or deflation. Number 10. Economic adjustments occur slowly under a fixed exchange rate system because they depend on government actions, whereas adjustments occur automatically and quickly under a flexible exchange rate system through market mechanisms. Number 11. Investor confidence is often higher under a fixed exchange rate system due to stability, whereas investor confidence may be lower under a flexible exchange rate system because of uncertainty and volatility. Number 12. Fixed exchange rates are generally more vulnerable to speculative attacks, whereas flexible exchange rates are less vulnerable because currency values adjust naturally. Number 13. Fixed exchange rates tend to promote overall economic stability, whereas flexible exchange rates may contribute to economic volatility. Number 14. Fixed exchange rate systems are commonly used by many developing countries, whereas flexible exchange rate systems are more common in developed economies. Number 15. Examples of fixed exchange rate systems include currency boards and pegged exchange rate arrangements, whereas examples of flexible exchange rate systems include free-floating currency regimes. Conclusion. Fixed exchange rates provide stability, predictability, and lower exchange rate risk, whereas flexible exchange rates offer greater adaptability, monetary policy independence, and automatic economic adjustments. The choice between these systems depends on a country's economic objectives, financial structure, and policy priorities. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.